I'm perfect for this position at Bain LLC because, well, my past experience in both as an educator and as a student, and at schools with high integrity like Liberty and Drake University and Washington State has prepared me for the real world, and the real world starts with being a political journalist at this company. And I'm also a person of high character. I believe in doing everything the right way, I also believe in being I believe in being a journalist that will report the perfect story, will report everything at the most accurate and at the most accurate and valid level. And that's basically it. I just bring a wealth of experience, having studied for so long and having worked as an educator of young adults. So I know how to both teach and learn, and I want to learn in this internship how to become a better how to become a better better journalist. Well, that's what I bring to Bain LCC. Thank